Hey, it's Tom. I'm here at the house. No boy running today. Romero had plans, so we're probably going to go out tomorrow morning. But in the meantime, I ran down to Riva Yamaha and picked up some parts. I got some sponsons, I got new handle grips, and I got a pump wedge. But I'm not going to put the pump wedge on today. I'll probably do that later this week. But let's go ahead and get started. These are the end caps for the handle grips. Here's the grips. And here's the sponsons. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and remove this old sponson. Okay, I got the old one removed. 5 bolts, and I'm going to go ahead and put the new one in. It's recommended to use blue Loctite, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on the bolts now, and we'll be back in a sec. Okay, I got the vacuum plate on. If you notice, there's 3 holes here, and that is so you can adjust the height of your sponsons. I'm going to go to lowest to start off with. That's the most aggressive position there. Hopefully I don't break my ankles when I turn, but I guess we'll find out. That's it. Alright, I got one side done. And wow, that thing really drops down low, so that should grab the water pretty good. Let me go ahead and get the other side done, and then we'll move on to the grips. Got the other side done. It was really easy. This should provide a lot of bite when you're turning. Hopefully, like I said earlier, I don't break my ankle. But anyways, moving on to these grips. I really can't stand these grips. These are stock from Yamaha. When they get wet, they're so slippery you can barely hold on. That's why you always see me wearing gloves. But I'm going to go ahead and take these off, and then we'll move on to replacing them with these. So all you had to do is just remove this bolt here from the end, and it slides right off. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up before I put the new one on, but it's real simple. Alright, I got one side done. I swapped it out with the red rings. It came stock with black and silver, and I didn't like that, so I went and bought red to go with it. But it looks good, feels good. We'll see how it does when it's wet. I'm going to go ahead and get the other side done, and then take it out tomorrow and test it out. And there we go. Got them both on. Looking forward to trying these out. Supposedly these are really good. They're really sticky, and I can already feel that it's sticky. but we'll see. It's ready for tomorrow. This I'm going to do this week and see what happens. It's supposed to increase your RPMs as well as prevent or help prevent cavitation and give you 1 to 2 miles an hour. On the top end, what it does is it drops your pump here down 2 degrees, which keeps your nose up higher, which in theory is less of your hole in the water. So we'll see how true it is. It wasn't that much. It was less than 100, so we'll see. We'll see out on the water. This thing grips so hard, you gotta hold on. I might have to adjust it up 1 notch. Just like that. That's what happened. My grip came off. My new grip came off. I can't believe my grips broke. I was holding on and I would have been fine if the grip didn't come flying off. Huh? Yeah, these are Riva end caps. I still have the stock caps that came with the grips. I think I'm gonna put those things on now. All right, so my review on the Sponsons, they bite really hard at the lowest setting. I might have to adjust it up 1 notch, as you see earlier in the video, me wiping out. And it wasn't really because of the Sponsons, it's because of the grips. I don't know what happened, but the end cap that was on that grip, that new one that I bought, came off when I was doing a sharp turn, and when I wiped out, that grip was still in my hand, not attached to the handlebar. So I don't know if I'd recommend those grips. So there's a plastic sleeve that goes all the way in here, and that sleeve shattered. It shouldn't be doing this right now. You can't see it on the camera, but inside there's fragments of the sleeve. So somehow this end piece here broke, and when it slid off, it shattered as it was coming off. So I'm putting the stock ones on, and I'm going to go online and see if I can find another one. But I do not recommend these. I forget what they're called, but I'll put the part number in the description. I don't recommend them. Otherwise, it was a good day. Had fun on the water. But we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.